Introducing the 2025 Aprilia RS 660 Factory, a revolution in lightweight sports performance. Born to dominate, the RS 660 Factory is powered by a 659cc twin-cylinder engine, unleashing 100 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute and 67 Nm of torque at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Feel the pulse of Aprilia's racing heritage with every twist of the throttle. At just 183 kilograms, the RS 660 Factory offers razor-sharp handling, while the advanced 6-speed gearbox with quick shifter ensures seamless transitions at any speed. Designed for both performance and comfort, this sports machine is as thrilling on track as it is on the road. The 15-litre fuel tank keeps you in the action longer, while Aprilia's cutting-edge technology provides unparalleled control. Packed with advanced electronics and Aprilia's signature style, the RS 660 Factory is the ultimate fusion of innovation and passion. Aprilia RS 660 Factory, born to lead, engineered to win. If you're passionate about motorbikes and want the latest on new models, reviews, and all things motorcycles, subscribe to Rs Communication.